Okay, this is an unboxing of SABRENT 4 ports for computer 2.0 peripheral sharing switch. So this switch I'll be using for my two computers. One is my Mac and another one is my Windows. So I'll be switching one of my mouse and keyboard between two computers. So let's open it up and see what we got here. So I bought this from Amazon, and right now in Canada. So this comes for $37 somewhere around. Okay, that's strange. There is no seal, which is strange. Okay, let's open up. There you go. Okay, this seems not okay. So we got this thing. We have okay. This seems to be no. I think this is just in my case. The unboxing looks so cheap, kind of cheap, because it doesn't have any packaging and looks like someone tied the cable and just put it in the box. I might have to check everything if it's working or not. So let me just let me pause this one.